Thank you, Mr. Chairman. And just a reminder for my friend from California that the securities lending operation of AIG was regulated at the state level. But this hearing on legislative proposals to reform domestic insurance policy confirms a new normal for insurance regulation in the United States. It's basically a hybrid model with layered regulation by states and the federal government. The age-old debate of state versus federal regulation is aged, is old. The new reality involves state regulators. It involves the Federal Reserve. It involves the Treasury Department, both through FSOC and through the FIO. Many of the bills before us today are a response to this hybrid model. In particular, H.R. 4510, the Insurance Capital Standards Clarification Act, offered by the gentleman from California, Mr. Miller, reflects a belief that insurance capital standards set by a traditional bank regulator, the Federal Reserve, need not be bank-centric and should, in fact, be tailored to reflect the unique and specific business model of insurance companies. I strongly support this bill. Regulation can take place at the federal level, but it must be smart and specific to insurance operating models. And without changes, the current hybrid insurance regulation structure has the potential to fail consumers miserably. A system which produces regulatory confusion, hinders consumer choice, discourages competition, that is burdensome for all parties involved. And I have said this before. It very well may be a system that has not failed, but since when has non-failure been a synonym for success? Unlike some of my colleagues, I believe much of the problem is lack of uniformity at state levels. Within this hybrid framework, we should effectuate uniform domestic regulations. And toward this end, yesterday, along with Representative Tammy Duckworth, I introduced the Service Members Insurance Relief Act, a straightforward bill to ensure portability of auto insurance for all our service members who often move from state to state. This bill is a perfect example of a simple fix to the insurance regulatory framework that will make a big difference in the lives of American consumers, and I'm hopeful this committee will move our new system of insurance regulation forward. We should start with immediate passage of 4510. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you.